Hello, it's Barbara. Happy Christmas 2025. What a year it's been, right? Oh, my word. Christmas comes but once a year. A gift to humanity for the birth of a child who was to change the world. For what can you be grateful this year? What have you learnt? What will you leave behind in 2025? And what will you take with you for 2026? 2026 promises to be big, bold, bright, beautiful. What part are you going to play in the creation of 2026? Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. Much love.